Sometimes it feels frustrating to open Chrome and it takes ages to open or even search. You feel like crashing your computer because you feel it is not adding any value to you. I had this feeling in the recent past. I tried these methods and I was able to fix the problem. So in this video, I will share what I did and hopefully if you try, it will help. But before that, hey guys, welcome to Teach Computer Academy, where we teach you computer skills the simplest and easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to improve your computer skills, you will be updated and you can start to show your computer skills to your friends. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be afraid. Just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back into the video. Now the first thing I want you to do is to come here on Chrome, right click on Chrome and also come to Google Chrome and right click, and you will go for properties, just like that. Then under properties, allow me to put this here. Under properties, go to compatibility and then run compatibility troubleshooter. It will run to detect issues and maybe we shall solve if it is not compatible with this very computer. So my friend, it will troubleshoot and it will show you this. So my friend, you can hit on try recommended settings, just like that, and it will try to resolve, then test the program, just like that. And then you see it is opened very fast, so that means it is working pretty cool. So I'll just hit on next and I will say yes, save the settings, just like that, and it will save these very settings. So my friend, the trouble has been solved or has been fixed, and all I need to do is to hit close. And my friend, that is the first thing to do, and try and see if your Chrome browser has improved. And if it has not improved, we shall try the second process. And the second process is just to come to Chrome itself, just like that, and come to the main menu and you will hit on history and you'll click on history, just like that, and it will load the history, how you have searched and all that. And all you need to do is to come and say clear browsing data, just like that, and allow it to load. And my friend, you can check all these boxes and see what is fit for you to delete. But in case you want to keep some things, you may want just to uncheck what you want to keep, and my friend, you will be happy to clear this. This is under advanced tab, but what it will open, it is basic. This is what you will clear, but then if you want to add other things to clear, then you will come here and basically check what you want to clear, and all you need to do is now to click on clear data, and my friend, it is going to clear for you everything that you've sought in the past and hopefully increase the speed of your browser. My friend, all you need to do now is just to hit on OK. Got it? Just like that. So it has cleared all the history that you have ever sought in this very Chrome. Now, if this does not work, my friend, you will try this third method, and I hope that is going to work. So my friend, all you need to do is to come here and search cmd to run that command prompt, just like that. You'll right click on it and you choose run as an administrator, just like that. And then here I want you to type ipconfig, then space / flash DNS and hit enter. Then it will tell you Windows IP configure successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Then the next thing I want you to write is net, just like that, net winsock and then reset. We need to reset this just like that and hit enter. Then successfully reset the Winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So you will restart your computer so that this takes effect. But all I do for this, I just hit exit, just like that. My friend, that was the third method you can make your Chrome at least to run faster. And if that does not work, I still have the fourth method. Wait, before we continue with this video, I would like to tell you guys that I post more videos about computer skills on this channel. The goal of this channel is to help you guys learn how to become better at computer and become competent enough in today's age. I put a lot of effort in these videos to make sure that each video works as intended. So I would appreciate it if you guys subscribed and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back into the video. Just come to Chrome, then you'll click on this menu and go to settings, just like that. Then under the settings, I want you to scroll down here up to advanced, just like that. Then on the advanced, you'll come here and hit on restore to their default settings. Just click here, and then my friend, you can reset these settings. And I want to tell you that you will lose your bookmarks, you will lose your everything, but then your Chrome will get back to where it was when you were installing. My friend, if this does not work, I would recommend you to uninstall the Chrome extension, and then you are going to reinstall it. So my friend, that is how you can make your Chrome to run faster on your PC. I hope that these 4 methods will help you to, at least run your computer at least faster than it was running, that is Chrome. And my friend, thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope that this has been very helpful, and if that is the case, feel very free to hit that like button and also subscribe. And not only subscribe, my friend, ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks or tutorials on how to improve your computer skills on this very channel. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.